messy hair, do not care at all. So today I felt like filming more DIYs for my room. I was gonna film another video, but then everything like ended up going really wrong, so I'm filming that for next week. So yeah, that's why I'm filming DIY room decor this week with a bunch of DIY things that I have laying around my room. These are all super easy, and most of the things you will probably also have at home like I had. If you're new to my channel, then hi, my name is Fem and I upload videos here every week. You should totally subscribe if you don't want to miss out on my videos. I'm actually uploading twice a week now. Give this video a thumbs up, and without further ado, let's get started. So for this first DIY, you're gonna need some flash tattoos and a plain mug. I just got a white one and I used gold tattoos, but you can also use like silver ones or pink ones. All you really need to do is design some kind of pattern with your tattoos. I got 2 lines, one at the bottom and one at the top, and then I cut out like this really weird shape thing that I thought was pretty cool. I don't know what it is though. And yeah, I just put it in between the lines, and that is basically it. I stored some makeup brushes in it, but you can also put like your keys in or some jewelry. Where's the fun in doing what you're told? In my mind, baby, you're the one. For the next DIY, you're gonna start off by taking your favorite colored nail polish and just pour it into a bowl with water, and then just kind of like mix it around. So once the colors are kind of like mixed together, take your flower pot, dip it in, and then when you take it out and let it dry, you have like this really cool marble effect on your boring flower pot. So I found this really cool like gold pinboard, and on it I wanted to go with like an entire magazine style theme. I don't know if that makes sense, but I just got a Vogue logo which I printed out and a bunch of fashion pictures, Gossip Girl, some like quotes, and I feel like this is such like, it gives me magazine vibes. That I made. I really hope you guys like them. My favorite is definitely the little like inspiration board thing that I made. I'm obsessed with it. I think it looks super cute in my room because it has so many colors on there. Like, yes. Like I said before, you should totally hit the subscribe button. That would mean so much to me. I'm actually uploading 2 videos a week now. Also, let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite, and if you recreate any of the DIYs that I made, totally send them to me on Instagram or Twitter. I'd love to see them. Same. Honestly, mood. I don't think I have anything else that I need to mention in this video. I think I've said everything that I needed to say. So next video will be up on Wednesday, so stay tuned for that. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next Wednesday. Bye!